Hello students, again I come with some problems. There are some 5 to 10 problems which are very much essential for the coming examination that I try to solve you to show. Here it is given that if sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2, then prove that tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2. How will you do it? At first, squaring both sides. Of this, we will get sin theta plus cos theta whole square equal to root 2 whole square. That is sin square theta plus a plus b whole square cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 2. Now it is 1 sin theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 2. So 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to, here 2 minus 1 means 1. When it will go to that side, it will be 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 1. Now we can write also 2 sin theta cos theta. Make this, what is 1? 1 means sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now dividing both sides, by sin theta cos theta. Both sides by sin theta cos theta, that is 2 sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by sin theta cos theta. So here it will be 2 because sin theta cos theta it is cancel out. Here you will get sin square theta dividing both sides into 2 parts, sin square theta by sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta by sin theta cos theta. So we will get 1 sin theta cross out, that is sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta 1 cancel out, cos theta by sin theta, that is tan theta plus cot theta. So tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2, proved. Tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2. It is to be proved. Now we can prove it. So easy, you can do it. So what is the thing that you will have to by heart? All the trigonometric formulas. Any time, any moment you can tell any trigonometric formulas. If you can grasp it within your mind, then these solutions are not so difficult. Next we will come to another problem. Cot square A cot square A cosec square B minus cot square B cosec square A is equal to cot square A minus cot square B. This is the identity we will have to prove from left hand side to right hand side. So at first what we will do, left hand side, cosec B converted into cot B. You know that 1 plus cot square B equal to cosec square B. So here you can write it minus. Here you will also do it cot square b into 1 plus cot square a. So now multiply this, you will get cot square a plus cot square a cot square b minus cot square b minus cot square b cot square a. Here you will see that these two cancel out. So we will get cot square a minus cot square b. So we get the solution, it is the right hand side. So easy. That is just doing two lines of solutions. It is so easy. But you have to decide at first what you will have to do. After just when see the question, your mind in your mind come that what trigonometric which identity, which formula is to be applied here. Then you will apply here this and you will get the solution. So another problem, these are very easy. Okay, today up to this. Next time I will show you more problems and solutions.